Namaste to all my students. Today we are going to other section of this horoscope. In this horoscope, fourth sublord already we discussed. Fourth sublord is not connected with 311 and 812. These houses is not 2 is not unfavorable for fourth house. This is favorable to fourth house. Now we are going to check the Mars, the Karaka for Mars is we are going to check. In this horoscope, Mars is in the star of Sun, sub of Rahu. Mars is the Graha Karaka for property. It is majority, around 70% of in property, 70% of participate is Mars. Because land, the Karaka for land, vacant land is called as a Mars. Not only vacant land, cement, jelly, sand, bricks, steel rod, all are Mars Karaka. And the tiles, marble, windows, the luxury item, all the luxury item is the Karaka for Venus. Okay, sir. Now Mars in this horoscope, if you check Mars, it is in the star of Sun. First of all, Mars is, if you check in this horoscope, Mars is not a cuspal sublord of any house. If the planet is not a cuspal sublord of any house, means we have to check cuspal sublord. Mars is not a cuspal sublord and also a cuspal sublord also. Then we have to check the cuspal star lord. Mars is the 12th star lord. If you check here, Mars is the 12th star lord. Therefore, we have to put 12. Then Sun. If you check Sun, Sun is the 6th sublord. If you check Sun is the 6th sublord. 6 we are going to put. And Rahu. Rahu already we noted. 4 and 10 is the Rahu sublord. 4, 10. Therefore, Mars is favorable for fourth house. For example, land is the outer biased Karaka. Land and property all are outer biased Karaka. Mars is connected 6 and 4, 10. Therefore, 4, 6, 10. Star matter sub-decider here. What are the matter given in star? It is developed by the sublord. Therefore, 4, 6, 10, then 12 also developed. Here the 12th house is called investment. It is favorable to 4th house. Therefore, definitely the Mars potential is very good. Therefore, in this horoscope, Mars is the fantastic planet for buying the property. Therefore, Graha Karaka is fantastic. One more Graha Karaka for house is Venus. Venus we are going to check. Venus we are going to check. Venus means in this horoscope, Venus in the star of Rahu, sub of Rahu. Same rule, if any planet is own star and own sub means sub-sublord is the deciding factor. Here sub-sublord also Rahu. Okay, sir. In this horoscope, Venus, the planet Venus is 12th sublord. Therefore, we have to put 12th. And Rahu, 410. Again 410. Again 410. Therefore, 12th sublord interlink with 410 is fantastic. The result is 4, 10, 12. Here 12 means we can't tell loss. This is investment. For any bhava interlink with 12 means that is called loss. For example, 4th sublord connected with 12 means that is loss. Because this is source, this is matter. 4th sublord connected to 12 means this is loss. But 12th sublord connected to 4th house means this is investment. This is favorable to 2nd house. The 4th house is called property, 12th house is the investment. through the investment, whatever is investment, it is converted as a property. 12th house is called expenditure. What are the expenditure? It is favorable. What are the expenditure is favorable for increasing the money matters. 12th sublord connected to add number. That means 1, 3, 5, 7 means the expenditure all are only happiness only, not getting the money growth. If 12th sublord connected to 2, 4, 6, 10 means what are the investment? It will be the expenditure. It will be investment. The investment again it will be converted as a money. Okay, sir. That is why here the Venus is the fantastic planet. Mars is the fantastic planet. 4th sublord also very good. Therefore, there is no problem to purchase the property. The potential is very good. Now, the running Dasha is Ketu Dasha. Ketu Dasha, what will be, how it is running Ketu Dasha, what is the potential for the Ketu Dasha, we are going to check. Then Venus Dasha, we are going to check. Already Venus, we discussed, Venus is interlinked with the 410. Therefore, Venus Dasha is fantastic. Okay, sir. In this horoscope, again, Ketu Dasha, how the Ketu Dasha will work. For past events, we are going to check. In this horoscope, Ketu, the planet Ketu, is in the star of Moon, sub of Mercury. Ketu is in the star of Moon, sub of Mercury. In this horoscope, Ketu is the Lagna and 7th sublord. Lagna and 7th sublord. Moon is the 3rd sublord and 9th sublord, 3, 9. The planet Mercury is the 2nd sublord. Already mentioned here. Second star is 3, sub is 2 means immediately star will be break, sub will be activate. Here star is the 3, 9. 3, 9 means this is called Sabdama Bhava. In previous video, we given the example for Sabdama Bhava. For Sabdama, these are the Sabdama Bhava. 1, 7, 2, 8, 3, 9, 4, 10, 5, 11, 6, 12 is the Sabdama Bhava. These are the Sabdama Bhava. For Sabdama Bhava, for 3, 9, 2, 8 is the bad house. For 6, 12, 5, 11 is the bad house. For 2, 4, 10, 3, 9 is the bad house. That is why here for 3, 9, 2, 8 only damage the 3, 9. Here 3, 9 will not damage, therefore 3, 9 will be work. But in this case, 3, 9 will work around 80%. First part, star is the first part, sub is the second part. 3, 9 will work around 80%, second will work 20%, the end of the result. Therefore, in Ketu Dasha, first part means Ketu Dasha 7 years there. Up to 5 years, the financial growth is not there. After last 2 years, the financial growth definitely will be there. Because second part is second house will be work. Okay, sir. The star is the first part, sub is the second part. Here it is not easily damaged. The 3, 9 will not be damaged by second house easily. Therefore, it is working 80%. Second house will be work later. Compared to 3, 9, second house is weak. If it is 2, 8 will come here, instead of 2, 8 will come means this is 10% will work, 2, 8, 90% will work. Okay, sir. Therefore, in this horoscope, in Ketu Dasha, the second part is good. First part is not good. Second part is good. Second part means end of the period. Last 2 years is very good. In Ketu Dasha, last 2 years, the second house will work. Therefore, the second house is favorable for fourth house. Money, land purchasing. Okay, sir. In this horoscope, next coming Buddhi is Mercury Buddhi we are going to check. Actually, this person want to purchase the property within 1 or 2 months. Already the loan also sanctioned. He want to purchase the apartment, new apartment, ready to build actually. Some within, if you purchase the property within 2 or 3 months, totally he will be positioned that area. Therefore, the coming Buddhi, Mercury Buddhi is favorable for 4th house or not, we are going to check. In this horoscope, Mercury, the planet Mercury in the star of Ragu, sub of Venus. Mercury is in the star of Ragu, sub of Venus. Actually, these are the star lord, these are the sub lord. Mercury, already we mentioned, Mercury is the second sub lord. Mercury is the second sublord. Ragu is the 4 and 10 sublord. 4 and 10 I mentioned here. Ragu is the 4 and 10 sublord. Venus in this horoscope, already we mentioned, Venus is the 12th sublord. Actually, star matter sub decider. Star is 410, sub is 12. The 410 is the 12th house is favorable house for 410. Therefore, 410 is developed and 12 also developed, second house also developed. This Bhava is favorable. Now the running Buddhi is Mercury Buddhi. Mercury Buddhi starts from, actually Dasha balance I didn't mention here. Dasha balance I have to mention. Birth Dasha balance. Dasha balance when birth is Saturn Dasha 12 years 11 month 27 days. Saturn Dasha is while birth time, Dasha balance, Saturn Dasha is 12 years 11 month 27 days. Now the running Dasha is Ketu Dasha Mercury Buddhi. Ketu Dasha Mercury Buddhi is up to 2024. Ketu Dasha Mercury Buddhi is, this is the time. Ketu Dasha Mercury Buddhi 29/3/2024. Sorry, 2023 to 27/3/2024. Around 1 year, Ketu Dasha Mercury Buddhi is coming. Mercury is the favorable planet. Whenever we are going to purchase the property, that time the Buddhi Lord or Dasha Lord connected with the 4th house. Particularly Buddhi Lord is connected 4th house, means whatever the property we purchase, it will be withstand in our hand. Whenever the Dasha Buddhi is connected with the 3rd house, means whatever we are going to purchase the property, within 5 or 6 years we will lose the property. Whenever the Buddhi Lord is connected 3rd house, means whatever Andhra may be connected 2nd house or 8th house or 4th house, therefore he purchased the property. When again any Buddhi is connected to 3rd house, means he will be sales the property. Here the Buddhi Lord is 2 and 4. Whenever the Buddhi is connected to 4, means the property will be totally lifelong, it will be there in the natal. Okay, sir. In this horoscope, 410 means joint property. 4th house means it is property for Lagna. 10th house means if you calculate from 7th house, that is 4th house. Therefore, 410 means joint property. Therefore, in this Mercury Buddhi, you want to purchase the property with his wife name also. The loan also comes from wife also. Okay, sir. Meantime, if you check compared to Ketu Dasha, what about the Venus Dasha means? Compared to Ketu Dasha, Venus Dasha is fantastic. In Ketu Dasha, around 5 years, 3/9 will work. The 3/9 is not favorable for money making. Here the first part, second part, third part, all are coming 410. Therefore, Venus Dasha is fantastic Dasha. In Venus Dasha, it will be very good. The property appreciation also, it will be good. Meantime, this gentleman asked, sir, if I take the loan, it is possible to repay my loan. If the repay my loan means, if it is not possible means, I will lose my property. Therefore, it is possible to repay my loan. He asked. In this case, we have to check the potential of the sixth house. Potential of the sixth house we are going to check. Sixth sublord is Sun. Sun is the sixth sublord. Sun is in the star of Saturn and Rahu. Sun is in the star of Saturn and Rahu. Already Sun in this horoscope, it is in sixth sublord. It is not a sublord of any houses, only sixth sublord. It is in the star of Saturn. Saturn is 5 and 8 and 11. 5, 8, 11. And Rahu 410. Rahu 410. The result is 5 for 511. 410 is the bad house. Therefore, 511 will not work because 511, 410 is the bad house, the Sabdama Bhava. Therefore, result is 4, 8, 10. The 8th house is favorable to 410. That means here, this is the first part, this is second part. When getting the loan, that time he is getting some disturbance. This is first part, 8th house is coming. Second part, 4th house is coming. Through the loan only, he is going to purchase the property. 4th, 6th sublord connected to 410 means long-term loan. If it is connected only 8th house means the loan is not favorable. He is getting more, he is giving more interest. In this horoscope, not only 8th house, 4 and 10 is there. Therefore, in this horoscope, Sun, the Graha Karaka Sun, in this horoscope, he is always having the loan in his life. He also agreed when the age of 25, he getting the loan for others, car loan and bike loan and land also purchased by loan, and he made the marriage to his sister, that is also on loan. But now this loan is favorable to the 4th house. Therefore, he can't lose his property. Already 4th house is very good. He can't lose the property. Up to Venus Dasha, Venus is the fantastic planet. Therefore, no need to worry about the Venus. Okay, sir. Therefore, in this horoscope, most of the planet, if you see in this horoscope, Rahu is the 4 and 10 sublord. For 2 planet is in the star of Rahu and 3 planet in the sub of Rahu. Therefore, 5 planet is interlinked with the Rahu. 5 planet is interlinked with Rahu. Therefore, in this horoscope, it is favorable for holding the property. Therefore, Venus Dasha definitely it is good for him. It is not bad for him. Okay, sir. We will see next video in different concept. Thank you very much.